Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the SONOFF Zigbee 3.0 USB dongle plus MG24, a compact yet powerful tool designed to upgrade your smart home setup. This isn't just any USB dongle. It's powered by the advanced EFR32 MG24 chip, which means it delivers faster automation processing and more stable control for all your Zigbee devices. Whether you're managing lights, sensors, or plugs, this dongle ensures that your devices communicate seamlessly without lag or dropouts. One of the standout features of the SONOFF Dongle Plus is its enhanced antenna. Out of the box, it comes with a 3 dBi antenna, which can be optimized up to 4.5 dBi. That extra gain translates to a stronger signal and wider coverage, giving you reliable connections across your home without the constant worry of devices losing touch with your hub. When it comes to compatibility, this dongle is extremely versatile. It works with popular platforms like Home Assistant, Zigbee 2 MQTT, and OpenHub, and supports a wide range of Zigbee 3.0 devices, including Philips Hue, Aqara, IKEA Trodfree, and SONOFF smart products. That means you can integrate almost any Zigbee device you already own or plan to buy into a single, cohesive system. Firmware management is simple as well. With SONOFF's dongle flasher or add-on tools, you can easily switch between Zigbee coordinator, router, or even thread RCP mode. This flexibility allows advanced users to configure their network exactly the way they want, whether they're expanding coverage with routers or experimenting with thread-enabled devices. Another thoughtful design feature is the dongle's compact size paired with a USB extension cable. This allows you to place it wherever you need, avoiding interference from other devices or metal surfaces that could weaken the signal. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference in maintaining consistent, stable communication across your smart home network. Inside the box, you get the dongle MG24 itself, ready to plug and play with your setup. Despite its small footprint, this little device packs impressive power, making it ideal for both beginners setting up a smart home for the first time and experienced users looking to optimize their Zigbee networks. In conclusion, the SONOFF Zigbee 3.0 USB dongle plus MG24 is a high-performance, versatile, and user-friendly solution for anyone looking to bring reliable Zigbee control to their smart home. It combines strong hardware, flexible firmware options, and wide compatibility into a compact design that fits seamlessly into any setup. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth tech reviews and insights.